Right, so if you look at this next one we're working on, the schedule page, right? Um, Really, there's a lot of things that are the same. Like, look at this part right here. The header and navigation, exactly identical. Most websites will have that. Our footer, exactly identical. The only new part is this center section where we have this table now. So what I did is I just copied my index HTML and I put it in my schedule HTML. Everything else, the HTML, the head, we're linking to the exact same styling sheet. We're going to use one for all of them. Everything's the same except for the center section piece. I don't want that Wilson Cross Country header anymore. I don't want that image of the the cross country start, and I don't want that Prefontaine quote. What I want instead is I want a table. So let me look at let's look at that um, table tag. So we've got a table tag like this that says, hey, we're going to start making a table. And we're going to start with a row, and inside that row, we're going to put these things. And then these are the actual cells. So this row has 3 columns and 4 and 5 rows, right? So I want it to be 3 wide, like this. And then I want to finish off that row. And so if you look at what I've just made here, I made one row that has 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. So inside that I can put, that's where I want that race, location, I want the date, I want the result. Now I can make the same thing, right? Because I want that repeated 5 times. Paste and paste, that's 3, 4. How are you guys' days going? Pretty good? Mine too. Now I noticed that the race location, this one right here, is Wilson, because now I'm in my second row, first column. So it's Wilson, September 17th, and the 3rd. If you follow the same order, you should get this. I'm going to pause the video and do it so you don't have to watch me type. Ta-da! There it is. So this should be what it looks like in the end. Now we have the exact HTML to do this. Remember, with all these sites, we want to focus on the HTML first. Just make sure that's nice and tight and everything's closed off and good, because then when we start with our CSS, it's going to be a lot simpler.